What is the investment philosophy that every stock market investor should know? Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will enlighten you now.
An investor has to sail through the entire phase. There is no shortcut here. Only if you sail through the entire phase of 7 years, focusing on the profitability. The first undeniable truth is don't go beyond price, go beyond the profitability of the business or the portfolio. This is the undeniable truth. Don't focus on the price, focus on the underlying business. That is the perspective. When you think about stock, the business should come to your mind. That is the first undeniable truth.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.